Good day, fellow personalization specialists. This is Lori Champagne with another quick engraving tip. Today I'm going to show you how to engrave a bangle, especially when it's got an open end. Now, in a previous video, I talked about this particular jig, which I really like because it holds things well. But as you can well imagine, if I were to put it in here and start squeezing it together, I've run the risk of bending, possibly even breaking this bangle. So the question is how do you get this so that it's solid enough to lock in? And here's the answer to that. A simple little piece of wood. So what I've done is I've taken a piece of wood, I've cut it to being just a slightly larger than my opening. You can see that right there. And just to help out, I put a little divot in each end. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it right like that. So now when pressure is put on the bracelet, on the bangle, it's not going to collapse onto itself. If I'm feeling like I need a little extra support, I'm going to put a little piece of tape on this as well, and now it's not going to move on me. Pretty simple. Next up, I'm going to put this onto my jig, and I will see that it looks like the green pegs is where the bangle should be. Now you also note that I've got the jig evenly spaced in the middle, just so that I've got some working room in both directions. I'm going to put my pegs in the green holes because that's what seems to go with it. 3 and 4. And now place the bangle in there. Oh, it's going to need to be a little bit larger. And that's why we're in the middle, so that we can play with it in both directions. Okay. And bring it on in. And this bangle is now ready to go into the rotary attachment. This is Lori Champagne, reminding you to never stop creating.